Hey everybody, Greg, the Grech RV guy here at Mountain Luxe RV in beautiful Colorado. And today we've got some seriously exciting news. The 2026 Grech RV Strada, Torino, and Turismo models have officially landed here at the dealership. And let me tell you, these are some of the most advanced Grech RVs ever built. If you've been holding out for the biggest leap in Class B motorhome tech, this is it. The 2026 lineup brings a completely re-engineered power system and a whole new level of connectivity, control, and performance. Let's break it down. At the heart of every 2026 Grech RV is the completely redesigned Grech Power system. It's a game changer. Everything is fully integrated. A Lithionics 51-volt never-die battery system replaces the old 12-volt setup and delivers up to 14 hours of runtime with the AC at full blast. These new batteries charge while driving, idle, or plugged into shore power in half the time. With the most powerful ARCO Zeus high-performance alternator and regulator, these batteries are also an upgrade in quality, maximizing lifespan and performance, and the Lithionics Bluetooth battery monitoring app allows the detailed tracking and diagnostics. Also new in this lineup is a Victron Blue 3000-watt inverter, an integrated and more intelligent power conversion system. Of course, you still have solar power that comes standard with every Grech RV model to help you maintain those battery levels. And finally, there's a brand new inline charger that keeps your chassis battery topped off using your house batteries or shore power. So even if your van is parked for a while, you won't be left with a dead starter battery. Grech has also upgraded the entire control interface with the sleek new Garmin SERV+ system, replacing the older Firefly system. The graphics are sharper, it's easier to navigate, and now includes some additional functionality, including full Timberline integration. So your heating and hot water are all managed in one place rather than on a separate screen like you did before. You also have a higher level of insight into your battery's state of charge and battery capacity. You can even dim each specific light setting in the van. The interface integrates with Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connectivity to give you a much bigger command of your RV's systems through a smartphone or a tablet. Now everything you see on the screen you can control from a device. Grech Connect is also a brand new feature in the 2026 Grech RVs. Remote diagnostics that are now built into all of your major power systems. So if you ever need help, the support team can tap into and assist no matter where you are as long as you have access to the internet. Speaking of internet, Starlink is now standard on all 2026 Grech RVs. You get high-speed internet right out of the box, already installed, whether you're working on the road, streaming a movie, or uploading travel content, you're always connected. Service is not included, but it's very easy to set up. The audio experience has leveled up too, with the Fusion Hideaway audio system that is fully integrated into the Garmin control system. You can now stream crisp sound via Bluetooth. You get upgraded cabin speakers, TV sync to play sound through the speaker system, and even a port for an external speaker so you can take the tunes outdoors. And you still have Apple TV included as standard equipment, which was a newer feature added at the end of the 2025 model year. For the first time ever, you can now get the Strada with the twin bed floor plan, which will give even more bed space than before. Especially great for the folks that are a bit taller than me. And of course, all the 2026 Grech RVs are built on a newer 2025 Mercedes Sprinter van. You get that newer, slightly improved chassis as well, including an upgraded infotainment system with the MBUX system and new updates on the dash. Rain sensors and tire pressure monitoring for the dually rear wheel models like the Torino and Strada are now standard. And the 360 camera is now improved on the larger models too. We also have a slight change in the silver exterior color option. High-tech silver now replaces iridium silver on the older models. The color is very close, but with a touch more blue to it. So what does all this mean for you? It means faster charging, longer off-grid capability, smarter control, and unmatched support whether you're in the mountains, at the beach, or parked in your driveway. The 2026 Grech RVs are one of the most technologically advanced Class B coaches on the road today, and they're available right now here at Mountain Luxe RV. Come by and take a closer look, or give us a call for more details and pricing. And don't forget, subscribe to the channel for full walkthroughs of the Grech RV Turismo, Torino, and Strada right here on the Mountain Luxe RV YouTube channel. We'll see you on the road.